Okay, so I'm modifying these motor mounts so that they fit a shallower frame. Basically, the frame isn't as tall. Frame rails aren't as tall on this year as a 67 through 72. So I cut the pad off the bottom, figured out the angle, cut them, moved them, kind of got them close. As you can see, I'm using nothing but the best in calibration equipment. That is a 4x4 holding up the motor and a 2x4 stopping it from falling to the left. It's all been centered. I made these spacers. I had these spacers and I put a couple of gussets, stacked them in there to get the height right. And so that's all handled. Now I'm going to weld the pads on to the bottom of these mounts. I already brought them over there, put it all together, measured everything, and then I packed it. Brought it back over here, give it a quick weld. Super duper. Let me grind it a little bit, paint it black, put it back. I'll only be grinding it for clearance. I want it to sit absolutely flush. And when I put that that little bead on the bottom, I can tell that it's not quite as flush as it's supposed to be. I'll buzz that off. Same with that one. A little bit of a spot right there. Then paint it black, and put it back. Okay, so here they are all fitted. Like I said, I'm gonna make a spacer to go underneath the upper portions. The lower portions are welded in. I'll mark those. But yeah, motor sits good. Trans cross member is all handled. All right.